Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how I play the chords to my favorite big band song of all time, In the Mood, by the Glenn Miller Orchestra. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E, and the key is A flat. We'll start the song with a B flat 7 chord strummed 3 times like this. In order to play that chord, we're going to bar fret 6 and hold down the A string at fret 8 and the G string at fret 7. That's our B flat 7 chord. So we'll strum that like this. Then we'll move to an E flat 9th. Strum it twice. In order to play that chord, we're going to hold down the A string at fret 6, the D string at fret 5, the G string at fret 6, and the B string at fret 6. And then we'll go to an A flat 7 suspended 2 here, and we'll play this. And that'll get us into the song. That chord is played by holding down the D string at fret 4, the G string at fret 3, the B string at fret 4, and the high E string at fret 4. That's the same shape as our E flat 9th, just move down like this. So we'll play the intro this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that'll get us into the song. Now we'll get into chord progression number 1, and it'll be played this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what that was our A flat 7 suspended 2, then we'll move to a D flat 9th, and our D flat 9th is made with the same shape that we played our E flat 9th with, just down 2 frets. Okay, so here's the entire thing. D flat 9th, A flat, E flat 9th. Now right after that, we'll do break number 1, and break number 1 will sound like this. In order to play break number 1, we'll go to our A flat 7 chord, D flat, E 9th, E flat 9th. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're back into our groove. Now in order to play that D flat chord, we're going to fret 6 and holding down the D, G, and the B string. And that's all, just those 3 strings. Then we move to our E 9th, E flat 9th. So that's we'll go back into progression number 1 again. Then we'll go into break number 2, and it'll sound like this. For that one, we went to A flat 7, D flat, E 9th, E flat 9th, and then back to A flat 7. So that's now here's what that entire turnaround will sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is progression number 2, and we'll play that this way. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll play A flat 7 up to B7, B flat minor 7, and E flat 9th. In order to play that B flat minor 7, I'm just borrowing everything at fret 6 from the D string down and bringing in my thumb for that B flat note at fret 6 on the low E string. So I get that. And you can play that this way also by putting that finger ahead of it at fret 8 like that, but I like this one. So again, that's and that's back to E flat 9th. So that's so I'm playing my bass note ahead of each chord. So I'm taking this chord and taking it all the way up to fret 7, then B flat minor, and then my E flat 9th. So do that 3 times. Now right after we played that progression 3 times, we're going to play break number 3, which is that was E flat 9th 3 times, then E 9th, E flat 9th, A flat 7. So again, let's do the entire thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. progression will be repeated for quite a while. Now next is break number 4. Now for break number 4, here's what we'll play. For that break, we're going to go to E flat ninth and slide up to E ninth. Then back to E flat ninth, E ninth, E flat ninth, E flat ninth again, and then A flat 7. So again, that's next is chord progression number 3. This is during the trumpet solo, and we'll play A flat 7 suspended 2. We'll only use 2 chords, A flat 7 suspended 2 and E flat 9th. For progression number 3, we'll play our A flat 7 suspended 2 for 8 measures or 32 beats, and we'll play it this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Eventually, we'll strum the E flat 9th, then back to the A flat 7 suspended 2, like that. So that's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and that'll sound something like this. Now after the trumpet solo, we'll do one more break, which is break number 5. And we'll go to the E 9th, E flat 9th, A flat 7, and then back to the E flat 9th. So we'll play. And it will sound kind of cool if you slide into that E 9th like this. So that's and that'll sound like this. Now after that, we'll go back to our main progression, which is progression number 1, and we'll finish out the song playing that progression. Well, alright my friends, that's it for now. That's how I play In the Mood by the Glenn Miller Orchestra with swing chords on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.